I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a GR86 manual. First, familiarize yourself with the pedal layout. Clutch on the left, brake in the middle, and accelerator on the right. The clutch pedal disengages the engine from the wheels, allowing you to shift gears. We'll focus on a smooth start, which involves a 5-step process, and finding that crucial bite point where the clutch begins to engage. Once you're moving, upshifting is your next step. As you accelerate, listen to the engine and watch your tachometer. Aim to shift around 3,000 to 4,000 RPMs for optimal performance and fuel efficiency. Fully depress the clutch, quickly move the shifter to the next gear, and then smoothly release the clutch while gently pressing the accelerator to maintain momentum. Practice makes perfect for seamless transitions. Downshifting is essential for controlling your speed and preparing for turns. You'll want to downshift when slowing down or needing more power for acceleration. Rev matching, where you blip the throttle while the clutch is pressed, helps synchronize engine and wheel speeds for a smoother transition. For more advanced drivers, the heel-end toe technique combines braking and rev matching, allowing for precise control during spirited driving or track days. To ensure longevity for your GR86 clutch, avoid common pitfalls like riding the clutch, which means keeping your foot on the pedal unnecessarily. Also, resist the urge to rest your hand on the shifter, as this can put undue pressure on the transmission's internal components. Start your practice in a large, empty parking lot, gradually building confidence before venturing onto public roads. Enjoy the engaging experience of driving a manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.